In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link your bank account to Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are on the main admin screen, look to the bottom left-hand side and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps your store-level configuration options, including payment and payout information. After you open Settings, click on Payments. This section controls how your store accepts payments and how Shopify sends your payouts to your bank account. If you are using Shopify Payments, you will see a section for it on this page. In the Shopify Payments area, click Manage. This will open the settings related specifically to your payment setup, including your payout details. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the correct section, since this is where you update the bank account that receives your store payouts. Next, find the Payout Details section. Under that area, click Change Bank Account. This is the option that allows you to replace the bank account currently linked to Shopify with a new one. If Shopify asks you to confirm your identity or verify access before making changes, go ahead and complete that process so you can continue securely. After that, activate the bank account update option if prompted. Depending on your setup, Shopify may require you to confirm that you want to switch payout accounts before the fields become editable. Once the form is available, enter your new routing number and your new bank account number carefully. It is important to type these details exactly as provided by your bank, since even a small mistake can delay your payouts or send funds to the wrong account. Before moving on, review everything one more time. Double-check the routing number and account number to make sure both are correct. Accuracy is especially important here because this account will be used for your future Shopify payouts. When you are confident that the information is correct, click Save. Shopify will then update your payout details with the new bank account information. In some cases, the change may take effect right away, while in others, it may take a short time to process depending on your region or account verification requirements. Once saved, your new bank account should now be linked to Shopify for future payouts. That covers everything you need to know.